Psycho test mga kabukalbo. Titingnan natin kung okay pa ba yung utak natin, nagana pa ba? Hot shower o cold shower? Hot shower. Cornflakes milk or cornflakes milk? Cornflakes. Siyempre, iPhone. Don't care about your ex or stalk your ex. Stalk yung ex. Wow, oh my God. I love kids. I hate kids. I love kids. OMG, I love my mom. From mom, I cook your favorite. Why is she always getting on my nerves? I cook your favorite meal. I love mom. Wow, mom. Online shopper o store shopper? Store shopper. I love dogs. I hate dogs. I love being with friends or being alone. Being friends. Hot shower or tea bag? Tea bag or hot shower? Tea bag din, hot shower. Hot water. You're normal, oh. Thank you. Normal pa pala yung utak natin.